Today on Crypto Line, we'll be talking about Elon Musk's warning to AMC theaters. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, Elon Musk, has publicly supported the plan for AMC theaters to accept Dogecoin. Adam Aron, the CEO of AMC, had recently run a poll on Twitter to know whether users want his company to add the meme cryptocurrency as a payment option. Doge enthusiasts were, of course, quick to chime in. Earlier this year, SpaceX announced that they would begin accepting Dogecoin payments for a lunar payload mission called Doge-1, which will be launched in the coming year. Sometime in May, Musk also set up a poll to ask his followers on Twitter whether his car-making company Tesla should adopt the acceptance of Dogecoin, after discontinuing the acceptance of Bitcoin. The leading electric car company hasn't declared support for another cryptocurrency yet. Last month, the centi-billionaire agreed with Shark Tank star Mark Cuban that Dogecoin is the strongest cryptocurrency in terms of merchant adoption because of its community. At the time of recording, almost 120,000 users have responded in favor of the movie theater chain accepting Doge tokens. This will increase the number of cryptocurrencies that AMC intends on accepting before the end of the year. A couple of weeks ago, Aron announced that customers of AMC theaters could begin to pay admission at cinemas using Bitcoin. He stated that the movie theater chain would have the IT systems in place to accept Bitcoin payments by the end of 2021. He'd made the announcement at an August 9th conference call regarding the company's second quarter reports. He also said that the cinema chain will start accepting Apple Pay and Google Pay, but noted that a lot of the company's new retail investors are cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Mr. Aron had elaborated that his company would work on accepting more cryptocurrencies before the end of the year. In addition to Bitcoin, moviegoers will be able to buy tickets and make other payments using Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. AMC rose to prominence recently in light of its shares becoming a meme stock, popularly traded by Wall Street Bets and Robinhood users. Robinhood has recently added a new crypto wallet and transfer feature in beta for the iPhone version of the app. These new features will enable customers to send and receive cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. After the company made its public debut back in August, its share price rose by over 120%. Sometime in the beginning of the year, the stock price of the largest movie theater chain spiked to new highs as part of a trading frenzy, alongside GameStop, Nokia, and so on. Shortly after, Dogecoin also led an increase in price for meme cryptocurrencies. These two trends pointed to demand for investments which were once seen as undesirable by traditional metrics. Although AMC has spoken about accepting more cryptocurrencies as payment towards the end of the year, there has been no mention of Dogecoin. But there is buzz being generated for a push to see Dogecoin added as an option as well. Given their history, Dogecoin seems like the perfect match. Dogecoin fans have reportedly reined in on Twitter to convince AMC to adopt Dogecoin as a payment option as well. But AMC CEO Aaron Adam is yet to respond to such requests. We expect that something will come through soon, as they both are the leading crypto and stock trading on Robinhood. Dogecoin's run extended far into the first week of May, when it peaked at about 73 cents, thus recording a growth of about 7,200%. Its price is much lower now, but it still maintains a growth of about 4,300% so far this year. This dip in price is credited to the immense volatility of meme coins. Dogecoin and other meme coins and tokens like Shiba Inu and SafeMoon are especially volatile compared to other leading cryptocurrencies. When they surge incredibly. Their dips tend to be hard as well. Dogecoin has seen a lot of high-profile fans, such as Elon Musk and Mark Cuban. Both believe that Dogecoin is a coin fit as a payment option, and as a result, Cuban's basketball team is now accepting Dogecoin as a payment option for its merchandise. This gives AMC enough cause to accept Dogecoin as well, as they take baby steps towards accepting crypto payments. Whatever the case, if AMC seeks to continue this meme dream phase that's pumped its stock price to the moon, then eventual Doge adoption seems like a reasonable possibility. Observing the current price action of Dogecoin, a similar situation to the current pattern earlier this year appears. It's comparable to the time when Dogecoin broke out to a new all-time high. What's different this time? The major difference is in the fact that the buying pressure is lower than it was earlier in the year. It could also mean that the enthusiasm has reduced significantly as Dogecoin is struggling to break out above the resistance levels above it. With the current market dynamics, Dogecoin is stagnant in consolidation. It's showing none of the signs that have made it one of the top-gaining cryptocurrencies in the world this year. It's still riding pretty high on that chart, despite little to no real activity. The trademark consolidation for long periods peculiar to breakouts is apparent. It's also formed a descending triangle from which the price action could take a huge leap to new highs. The pattern maintained this earlier this year before it went on a surge of about 1,000%. The second time it was formed was in April, a time which is recognized as a period of significant rally. Now you understand why analysts believe that Dogecoin could follow that bullish pattern. The price is still maintaining itself above the lower support level of about 17 cents. On its way to a breakout, Dogecoin is expected to rise to about 26 cents before it can go on an enterprising price run to a new high. What could sponsor such a move? Much of Dogecoin's rise was sponsored by the hike in endorsement across the board of several celebrities. This led to a growth of retail investor interest, which proved to be a significant factor for sponsoring the growth of Dogecoin. If we can have a renewed growth in investor interest, thus leading to an increase in buying pressure, then a much-discussed action would be in the works. Analysts often use chain metrics such as highly valued transactions to measure interest in a coin. It's possible that large transactions valued at $100,000 can act as a proxy to institutional players in whales activity. When this increases, it shows that wealthy investors are beginning to position themselves for a new bull run. The observed range of large transactions being observed on the Dogecoin network is just about 1,560 transactions. If it increases up to 40%, then the whales are observed to be sitting in for a price action rally. The higher the growth, the more the bullish sentiment. This underlines the reason why we need more retail investors to join the market. The larger the network growth, the more favorable the price jumps. Generally, a steady increase in the number of new addresses created on a given blockchain leads to a rising price over time. An increase in addresses joining the Doge network daily is expected to start a new uptrend. While a spike in the number of large transactions and new daily addresses on the network would confirm a bullish outlook, a daily candlestick close below the symmetrical triangle's x-axis at 17 cents would invalidate it. The transaction history shows that after losing such a critical support level, Doge would face little opposition on its way down to 8 cents. The market is pretty unpredictable despite these metrics, and things may very well not play out as we think. We anticipate a general bounce for the entire crypto market, after which we might see Dogecoin make a move of its own. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.
Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.